The clear coat is wearing out. This is just water-based polyurethane. I think I'm going to try something a little bit different. What I have here, some leftover Automotive clear coat. It's clear, that's the hardener. It's 4-to-1 mixed ratio. Let's give it a try. That's 4 ounces. It's 4-to-1. So I'll do 1 ounce of hardener with a rag. Super hot out here. I think we're gonna brush out some sections, especially these welds. So the rag's gonna have difficulty getting in there. Try not to get it all over my tires. Look at that, don't even clean the dirt off. This might be the better way to go. Pour it on. Dry so fast out in this hot sun. Here's the finished results of the wipe-on clear coat. And we'll give it a test of time. You can still see I ragged on the water-based polyurethane and it started failing. And you can see the difference between where it started rusting again and where it still was. You can see that. So the water-based polyurethane does not hold up in the sun. But now this Automotive clear coat, hopefully it'll hold up a little bit better. I still like it. I don't even care that it rust. You know, I'll just keep cleaning it with a Scotch-Brite pad and reapplying. So, the test of time. Wipe-on clear coat. And that clear coat's pretty expensive. But I think if you're nice to your auto body shop, or you know somebody works at an auto body shop, you can find a half-empty can like I have, and just, you know, otherwise it was going to sit on a shelf and probably go to waste. So, free product. Free is a good price for me, and try not to let it go to waste, you know. So, that was this clear coat, 4-to-1. I still got a little bit left. I might put it on this project. Who knows? If I really want it to shine.